Hi, I'm Brian, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today, I'm at the National Farm Show in Louisville, Kentucky. Let's go check it out. Okay, we're gonna start on South Wing C. I had to get my badge. All right, let's go see what we can find. I remember seeing these last year, and I thought they were cool then too. All this new equipment, and guess what I'm going to show? A lot of brands I don't see at my tractor shows, do I? What else we got here? Not really sure what to film. I'm keeping my mouth shut so I don't say the wrong name. Now this guy's more my speed. Except it's not dirty enough. I'm willing to bet we've seen this one before with dirt on it. That's cool.
Will you let us know? I'll get to every time before we fly out.
Later in the video, I expect to get some tractor pulls in. Let's see if that turns out. Stay tuned. I bet that's kind of fun. I must check out the windmills. Gotta find them first. I was gonna check them out earlier. I got distracted. That's pretty cool. I was at a windmill museum, I don't know, a couple years ago, where they used to manufacture them. Yeah, the whole factory was just left there. So everything was still, it's kind of hard to vlog like this. Everything looked like they were working yesterday. It was pretty cool.
This one is 40%.
The crowds are starting to thin. Maybe I can finally get some decent shots. Very cool. We got to see some of that live, but they were antiques. Let's see if we can look inside. We can't. That reminds me, I gotta look at, see if I can get into that truck show coming up.
Guy for all
They got a newer truck this time. That definitely demonstrates the lifting capacity. Those newer trucks weigh a ton. Or 2 or 3. They're heavy. Whoa. There's literally a sign for everything.
And it had shallow and mid-depth sockets. Yeah.
This is day 2 of the National Farm Show in Louisville, Kentucky. I might make this all one video. Guess we'll find out. All right, so we're gonna walk around a little bit more and then we'll see some more tractor pulls. Come on, let's go. Well, that drone's a lot bigger than mine. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's interesting. Now I know how they can take down trees. Ladies, I found you a lawnmower. Or brush hog or whatever. It's pretty cool that some of these brands are still alive. The Hay Buster. You know what's amazing? Farming hasn't really changed much. Just the equipment has gotten fancier. You gotta do the same old thing. Then people stare at you when you're vlogging. Wouldn't it be cool if they had a farm show with the new equipment actually doing what it does? Moving about rather than parked. Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you someplace or another. Have a great day.